How to build AI agents in 7 steps. You want to build your own AI agents but have no clue where to start? The internet is flooded with online courses and endless information, but there is no clear step-by-step roadmap. Today I'll show you the exact roadmap I would follow if I were starting from scratch in 2025. No fluff, no unnecessary theory, just clear, actionable steps to start earning money with AI. Hi, I'm Kirill. I live in Dubai and run a digital business and have spent the past 2 years actively integrating AI into my workflow. From automating routine tasks to creating AI agents that interact with clients, gather analytics, and boost sales. My AI agents already save me dozens of hours each week, and that's exactly what I want to share with you in this video. Stick around until the end and I'll show you how to create an AI agent that doesn't just automate tasks but can actually make you money, even if you are just getting started. This is exact strategy used by advanced developers and AI studios. So make sure to watch until the end while I learn to develop AI agents. I'm convinced we are living in a world that will soon have hundreds of millions and eventually billions of AI agents. In the near future, every business will have its own AI agent. Just like today, every company has email, a website, and social media. AI agents will become standard practice. So, I can say AI agents aren't just hype, they're the new reality. Agent developers are already making huge amounts of money, and investors are pouring millions into AI startups. From Y Combinator to venture capital funds, everyone wants to invest in AI agents. Why? Because they see the future clearly. Every CEO of major tech companies is talking about AI agents, and investors don't want to miss out. But what does this mean for you? People fear losing their jobs because of AI, and that's real. Some jobs will be replaced by AI, while others will focus on creating AI and earning from it. If you learn how to use and develop AI agents, you'll never be out of work. Your job can't be replaced if you are the one creating these AI agents. And even if making money isn't your goal, AI agents can simplify your life. Just for example, you can booking your travel, managing your schedule in Google Calendar, and automating routine tasks. But here's the issue. People often confuse AI agents with regular automations. Also, it can be called web agents. Let's clarify this. So, AI agents and web agents. Many people think any tool that automates a process is an AI agent, but that's not true. There are two main types of agents. So, first one, web agents automate tasks on website without using AI, and second one, AI agents powered by LLMs like ChatGPT-4, DeepSeek, etc., and capable of making decisions based on logic and reasoning. Example: imagine you're a YouTuber with a video script and you want to convert it into a LinkedIn post. A web agent would simply copy and paste your script into LinkedIn without changes. An AI agent would adapt your script into a structured, engaging LinkedIn post, preserving style and intrigue. AI agents can perform the tasks of web agents, but not vice versa. Common misconceptions about AI agents. Myth 1. AI agents are illegal. Reality: the only legal agents in the US are ticket purchasing bots, banned since Obama's presidency. Myth 2. You need to be a super programmer. Reality: many platforms allow you to build AI agents without coding, using simple drag and drop tools. Myth 3. AI agents are smarter than people and can completely replace them. In the reality, AI agents don't truly think, they analyze data and mimic decision-making, excelling at routine tasks, but lacking creativity in solving entirely new problems. Myth 4. AI agents can learn entirely on their own. Many assume AI agents self-learn without human intervention. In practice, AI agents require regular updates, improvements, and adjustments from developers. Myth 5. Developing AI agents is expensive and only corporations can afford it. In the reality, free and affordable no-code platforms like N8N, VoiceFlow, and ManyChat are now available, allowing anyone to create powerful AI agents on a budget. However, if you want to build web agents, coding skills will still be necessary. Let's compare code and low-code approach. If you're creating AI agents, you can leverage no-code platforms like VoiceFlow, ManyChat, N8N, NodeJS. But if you're planning to work with web agents, you'll need to learn JavaScript, HTML, CSS. And my approach, I combine AI agents with web agents. If the task is complex and requires web automation, I use coding. If it can be done with no-code tools, I save time. I stick simple principle. If it can be done without code, do it without code, obviously. If the task is complex, learn to code. Leave a comment below if you'd like to know how to learn coding effectively. And yes, learning to code is one of the essential skills of 2025. 7 steps to build AI agents. Step 1. Getting started. Before creating your AI agent, you need the right tools. It's like building a house. You can't start without a hammer and nails. What tools do you need? Visual Studio Code if you work with code. A versatile notepad for writing code. Useful even if you are going the no-code route. And second one, N8N for no-code workflows. A drag-and-drop tool to automate tasks without coding. Next one, GitHub, essentially cloud storage for your code. Even beginners should learn how to upload projects here. And also you will need ChatGPT, Claude or Gemini. Choose an AI model to work with. I can give you example. You want to create an AI assistant in Telegram that sends reminders. You can achieve this easily using N8N without writing a single line of code. Step 2. Learn the basics. To build AI agents you need foundational knowledge. No, you don't need to dive deep into machine learning or Python programming, but understanding the basic logic behind AI agents is crucial. What do you need to know? How do AI models work? AI doesn't think like a human, it simply finds the best answer based on data. What is an API? APIs are like restaurant waiters. You give them your order, like request, they go to the kitchen, server, and return with food, like response. AI agents work similarly. There are 2 types of AI agents. First one, one-shot agents. Ask a question, AI answers. And second one, agentic agents. AI plans, collects data and refines answers. Example of agentic agents. Asking ChatGPT to write an essay about Elon Musk yields immediate text. An AI agent would first research online, check sources, correct mistakes, and then provide a refined answer. Step 3. Learning NodeJS and PuppeteerJS. Don't be afraid of coding. Code is simply a way to tell a computer what to do. What should you learn? NodeJS, the foundation for building AI agents, and PuppeteerJS, a powerful library to automate browsers' work. It can scraping websites, clicking buttons and filling forms. Want an AI agent that automatically collects flight prices? With Puppeteer you can open airline websites, enter travel details, save found flights and send results directly to your Telegram. All done without any manual effort. Step 4. Building real projects. Simple rule. Want to learn? Start building. How to choose your first project. Pick useful tasks. For example, an AI business assistant or a bot that simplifies your daily routine. After that, seek inspiration. You can explore product hunt, see trending AI products and try building simpler versions. After that, create an MVP, minimum viable product. In other words, building something small, fast and useful, not perfect at first time. Don't strive for the perfect AI agent immediately. Start simple and improve gradually. You notice people want to automate email responses. You create an AI assistant that analyzes incoming emails and suggests quick replies. Step 5. Selling AI agents to customers. Now it's time to earn money. You already know how to create valuable AI agents. Now find clients. How do you find your first customers? You can find on freelance platforms like Upwork, Fiverr or Telegram channels. Business owners looking to automate processes, bloggers and content creators needing AI-powered content tools. You can offer Instagram bloggers an AI bot that automatically responds to comments and organizes direct messages. This saves bloggers time and you start earning. Step 6. Keep learning. AI evolves every week. Stay updated with AI news, X, Instagram, YouTube. See what others are creating. Learn from popular AI solutions. Experiment consistently, test new tools and APIs. New AI model for text-to-speech launches today. You can integrate it into your AI assistant and enhance your product immediately. Step 7. In the future, you can build an AI agent army. Create AI agent that can collaborate. Develop AI that enhance other AI. Automate as many processes as possible. You can create an AI assistant that checks your calendar, requests meetings, writes reminder emails, automatically adjusts your schedule if needed. Stay tuned to learn exactly how to build an AI agent that doesn't just automate tasks but actively generates income. Final thoughts and call to action. Now you know exactly how to create an AI agent and what steps you need to follow. The most important thing is to just start. Install the tools, grab the basics, pick a project, and build your first workflow. Don't fear mistakes. Everyone makes them. AI agents are not just hype, they are the future. Those who learn to build them today will unlock incredible opportunities in the coming years. Automate your tasks, simplify your routine, or start earning by providing these solutions to businesses. Now it's your turn. Leave a comment, sharing your AI agent idea, subscribe if you want more guides and practical content, click on that screen right now and watch the next video on my channel. Thank you and see you in the next video.